Hello, welcome to Maths class. Today let us have chapter trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. What are these? Already you have learned what are trigonometrical ratios. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. These are the 6 trigonometrical ratios. And today you are going to learn about the T ratios. In short, for trigonometrical ratios, in short we say T ratios of standard angles. That is T ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. We are going to learn how to find these T ratios of standard angles. Let me explain you first. Suppose ABC is a right angled triangle where angle B is 90 degree and angle C is 45 degree. C 45 means we know automatically angle A is also 45 degree. Then AB will be equal to BC. So first let me work out for 45 degree. How to find 45 degree? T ratios of 45 degree I will do and show you. Sin 45 degree is equal to, we know that suppose this is A, BC is also A. And we know that if two sides are A, hypotenuse will be A root 2. Hypotenuse will be A root 2 or root 2 A. That already we know. So sin 45 degree is opposite side by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC, where AB is A, AC is A root 2. When A is cancelled, we'll get 1 by root 2. So the value of sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Now let me work out for cos 45 degree. Cos of an angle is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. So BC is A, by AC is also A root 2. So when A is cancelled, we'll get 1 by root 2. So cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. Now let us find tan 45 degree. Tan of an angle is opposite side by adjacent side, that is AB by BC. Both are AA, whereby A is equal to 1. So the value of tan 45 degree is 1. Now let me find cosec 45 degree. We know that cosec and sin are reciprocal to each other. So cosec 45 will be root 2 by 1 or root 2. Or by from the figure if you want to find also we can find hypotenuse by opposite side, that is A root 2 by A, you will get root 2. Now we can see these two are reciprocal to each other. Now sec 45 degree is equal to hypotenuse AC by adjacent side BC. Same way A root 2 by A, when AA is cancelled, we'll get root 2. We know that cos and sec are reciprocal to each other, and that is what we found here. Now cot 45 degree is equal to the adjacent side BC by opposite side AB. BC is A, opposite side AB is A, so 1. And 1 tan 45 1, cos 45 degree is also 1, and we know that the reciprocal of 1 is 1. This is how to find the T ratios of 45 degree. In the same way, we can have T ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree also. Suppose this is 30 degree, then we can have T ratios of 30 degree angle and also T ratios of, okay, I will explain you that little workout we have to do. I will explain you T ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. In order to find the T ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree, what we have to do is, let us take an equilateral triangle. Let ABC is an equilateral triangle, means all the sides are equal and each angle is 60 degree. Let AD is perpendicular to BC, and you know that if AD is perpendicular to BC, angle ADB is 90 degree, and if angle ABD is 60 degree, automatically angle BAD will be 30 degree. Okay, now we can see this triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, and let us take each side as A. If each side is A, and you know that in an equilateral triangle, altitude equal to root 3 by 2 into side. Altitude of an equilateral triangle formula is there, that is root 3 by 2 into side, here root 3 by 2 into A. So AD is equal to root 3A by 2 or root 3 by 2 into A. Okay, so now, and if BC is A, BD will be A by 2, because in an equilateral triangle, the altitude bisects the base. Okay, so let us work out for 60 degree angle. So sine 60 degree equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is AD by AB. AD we got root 3A by 2 and AB is A. So we get root 3A by 2 into 1 by A. When A is cancelled, we get root 3 by 2. So sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Same way, cos 60 degree equal to base by hypotenuse, that is BD by AB. Base is A by 2 and AB is A. AB is A. So A by 2 into 1 by A. When A is cancelled, we get 1 by 2. Now let me find tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is opposite side AD by adjacent side BD. So AD is root 3 by 2 in root 3 by 2 into side, and BD is A by 2. So we get root 3 by 2A into 2 by A. A cancel, 2 cancelled, we get root 3. Okay, so already we know that cosec is reciprocal to sine, sec is reciprocal to cos, tan is reciprocal to cot. We know that. So the reciprocals of these gives you cos 60 degree. Without finding, I am showing you. So cos 60 degree is 2 by root 3. Sec 60 degree is reciprocal of cos is 2 by 1 into 2. And cot 60 degree is tan 60 is root 3. So cot 60 degree is 1 by root 3. I hope this is clear to you. Now let us work out for 30 degree. Same way, for this angle 30 degree in this triangle, from this triangle, we can have T ratios. So for this angle, let us find out. Sine 30 degree is equal to, for this angle, opposite side is BD by hypotenuse AB. So BD is A by 2 by A. That is, we will get A by 2 into 1 by A. When it is cancelled, we get 1 by 2. So sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Now let me find cos 30 degree. For this angle, adjacent side is AD by hypotenuse is AB. AD is root 3 by 2 into side and AB is A. So when AA is cancelled, we get root 3 by 2. Then tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side for this angle BD by adjacent side AD. BD is A by 2 by AD is root 3 by 2 into A. So A by 2 into 2 by root 3A. 2 cancelled, AA cancelled, 1 by root 3. Just like how we have done for 60 degree, let us find. So cosec 30 degree is equal to reciprocal of sine 30, that is 2. Sec 30 degree is equal to reciprocal of cos 30 degree, that is 2 by root 3. And the cot 30 degree is equal to reciprocal of tan 30, that is root 3. So with this, you have learned how to find T ratios of 30 degree, 60 degree and also 45 degree. Okay, next class I'm going to explain you how to find T ratios of 0 degree, 90 degree, and also how to remember these values very easily. That you are going to learn in the next video. Thank you.